This is going to be one of the elevators here at the Cherry Hill Mall, Cherry Hill, New Jersey.
All right.
We got a Schindler 330A.
Yep.
HTVR. Sounds kind of lovely.
Yeah, this thing needs a little shaft work. I remember this thing running better than this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and the cab's not in the greatest condition either.
I mean, that's Preet's fault.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, Preet is not doing very well.
Yeah.
I mean, they're being dragged down by a bunch of crappy dead moles.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to take another ride?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the speaker's also kind of messed up too.
Yep. So you guys, 2 rides on the 330A. Don't say
Yeah,
that
not
again, easy.
not something I've done in a very long time.
Yep. I'm sure nobody's watching at this point.
Yeah.
If you're still watching now, leave a comment.
Mm-hmm.
I guarantee there's going to be 0 comments on this video.
And that'll be it.